Hi, I'm Mark and this is your pro tip of the week. Today we're going to work in the sand. What I find in the sand is that people get intimidated by the fact that they have to hit sand shots, when really, out of all the golf shots around the green, it should be the easiest one to hit with the most room for forgiveness. And that's what I want to show you today. Draw a line in the sand about 1.5 inches to 2 inches behind the ball. Now we've all heard the cliche that you need to hit about 1.5 inches behind the ball to get the ball out on the green. The reality is you actually have about a 3-inch window where you can hit the sand and the ball is still going to get out. And what people don't understand is where the club's entering the sand before the ball to get it out. So next time you go to the practice bunker, put a line down, set up, and take a couple swings and see where you're entering the sand. What you'll find is you'll be able to see the divot a little bit better. Now that one we hit right on the line, about 1.5 inches behind the ball, and I got it out and onto the green. On this one, I'm going to hit a little farther behind it. And as you can see, I actually hit probably about 4.5 to 5 inches behind the ball, and it still got out. Now where people get in trouble is hitting ahead of this line. If you hit closer than 1 inch, you're going to hit it thin and it's going to go over the green. Anything more than 5 inches, and you're going to hit it fat and it's going to stay in the bunker. But the reality is, you have this window of about 4 inches where the club can enter the sand and you'll still get the ball out. Now with that being our goal, let's set up, forget about the ball, set up about 2.5 to 3 inches behind the ball. Make sure that you're standing with the club straight up and down, the shaft's on that line about 2.5 inches behind the ball, belt buckle, chin, everything lines up to this spot. And that way I've got this large margin of error. I can hit anywhere in there and still get the ball out. So set up behind the ball, make sure it's nice and square, take a swing, hit the sand, you'll get out every time. I'm Mark and that's your pro tip of the week.